Hi, today I'm going to very quickly show you how to create a packing list or also to create a goods issue document. Basically, the goods issue is mainly for delivery of your stocks to your customers, which will then eventually update the inventory numbers. Okay, so in front of us, I have a goods issue. To get here, go to the main menu, come to inventory, within inventory, go to goods issue, click that, and you will get here. So very quickly, quite easily, just click on add new goods issue. Pick the contact that you want to put in, shipping address. Very quickly, pick the product that you want to put. The from location would vary be your warehouse. So pick if you have 2 or 3 warehouse, pick the relevant warehouse, and the location is to customer. And that's really it. Once you're done, click on either save or confirm. For those who are authorized, you may click on approve. Now, after this, you would then have to validate the numbers as soon as your warehouse has sent it. And once you validate it, what will happen is that your inventory balances will then be updated. So the turning point is really when you validate. Okay. So now, once you have the goods issue ready, click on print, pick the template that you may have, and here's your packing list. Alright, so for more on this reporting template, make sure to check out the unit on reports template. Apart from that, that's really it. Thank you.